Hi, fellow learners! This video includes 6 different multiplication table formats you can choose to study from. Each will show for about 5 seconds, so pause on the one you prefer.